by reading so many books in English, by listening so many content in English, you can't fluent in English. Okay, you can fluent in English with the help of speaking. So for this speaking, you need to follow some technique like gem technique, like mirror technique, like shadowing technique, like record your voice, record your video. So here I am going to give you a demonstration how to use this technique. So this technique is gem technique. Jai Sri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you wonderful technique. This is a brilliant and amazing technique, believe me. And the technique which I am going to share with you in this video not only improve your English but also it has many benefit. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so the technique which I'm going to share with in this video, technique name is gem. So this is a gem technique. I know you will have heard this technique in order to learn this language, but in today's video I am going to give you how to use this technique and what are the advantages of this wonderful technique. Okay, and which are the rules we have to follow to use this technique for learning English. So in today's video I am going to give you everything related to this technique. So this technique name is gem. This is a gem technique. This is called just a minute. So for this technique you have to follow some rules. So the rules which are very important. Without following rules you can't achieve your goal, because by reading books, by listening so many content in English, you can't fluent in English. You can speak in English with the help of some technique. You can speak in English with the help of speaking technique. Okay, so for this you have to follow some technique. So in today's video, this gem technique will improve your fluency. You can speak in English with someone without any hesitation, and your confidence level will be increasing after using this technique, believe me. Okay, so what are the first, I'm going to give you some advantages of this technique. So what are the some advantages? For this technique you don't need to have anyone. You don't need to someone will come then you will speak in English. You can use this technique only, it requires only you and your phone. Okay, so this is the first advantage of this technique. Now the second technique is that only you have to give only 5 minutes for this technique, only 5 minutes every day. Okay, I know that there are many people that they have a hectic schedule like me, but there is a desire inside us that we want to learn this language. To how to learn this language? Okay, so you need to just give only 5 minutes every day. Okay, if you have no one for practice, don't worry, you can use this technique to enhance your fluency. Okay, so there are two main advantages of this language. Okay, and this technique name is just a minute. So you have, now there are some rules which I am going to give you. Okay, so the very first rule is that you have to speak in English 1 minute continuously without any pause. So this is the first rule. Okay, don't worry about a mistake, don't worry about fumble, don't worry about stuckness, don't worry about a word don't come in my mind. Okay, you have to speak in English. Okay, if you speak in English wrong, if you speak in English irrelevant to the topic, don't worry, but please complete your 1 minute without any pause, without any repeating sentences. So these are some rules. What are some rules? First is that you have to speak in English 1 minute continuously without any pause. Second rule is that you don't need to have any pen or paper for this technique. Okay, you don't write down on your notebook for this technique. Okay, whatever sentences or thoughts or ideas comes in your mind, you have to just speak in English. Okay, so this is a some rules. And the second rule is that third rule is that don't repeat the same sentences again and again. Okay, so these are 3 rules. Okay, so I have given you some advantages of this technique. Also, I have given you 3 rules of this technique. Now I am going to give you how to use this technique. So for this technique, you have to choose a topic, any topic. So for this technique, you have to choose any topic. There are many topics like describe your day, describe advantages or disadvantages of social media. Also there are some questions like what is your favorite hero, what is your favorite movie, describe your daily routine. So first thing is that you have to choose any topic or any question for doing this technique. So this is the first step that we have to follow. Only 5 minutes you have to give every day. Okay, now I am going to give you a demo how to use this technique, because by reading so many books in English, by listening so many content in English, you can't fluent in English. Okay, you can fluent in English with the help of speaking. So for this speaking, you need to follow some technique like gem technique, like mirror technique, like shadowing technique, like record your voice, record your video. So here I am going to give you a demonstration how to use this technique. So this technique is gem technique. So I am going to use this technique, how to use this technique. For this technique, there are 3 rules. I have told you that you have to speak in English 1 minute continuously. Okay, so now I am going to speak in English. I'm going to give a topic, choose a topic, my daily routine. Okay, so I'm going to speak on my daily routine. So I'm going to start 1 minute. Okay, I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then I wash my palm, I rub my palm and place them on my face. I drink a glass of water then, and it keeps me hydrated throughout the day. After that, before getting into the washroom, I wash my face, I brush my teeth. Then within half an hour, I freshen up and I get dressed. Then I do worship and I make 2 tiffin for me and my husband. Then I go to school by driving. I reach school around 8 a.m. Then I teach their student. I teach all subjects like Hindi, English and other subject. I teach first to 8th class student there. Okay, now stop. You can see stopwatch. So I have completed my I have completed my 1 minute, and yes, I speak in English. Yes, there may be some fumble. Yes, there may be some stuckness. Yes, sometimes I take some pause like 2 or 3 minute, 2 or 3 second pause. So it's acceptable because you are practicing in English. Okay, so it's happening. If it happened with you, then it's natural. Okay, but don't give up. Please try and try again, and try and try again, and you will succeed at last. Because where there is a will, so there is a way. So please do practice. Use some technique like gem technique, like mirror technique, like shadowing technique, but please speak in English every day, minimum 5 minutes. Do this practice, because without speaking you can't speak in English. I know you have you have read so many books in English, because we have learned this language as a subject in our schooling time, but still we can't speak in English because we have not test in speaking terms. So please do practice each and every day. Use this technique and please give me your comment. How did you like my video? Because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.